Mix Vaseline with Coca-Cola. You'll see how wonderful it can be. You'd never think these ingredients could be mixed together. I'll show you how to make your favorite everyday product. It doesn't contain any chemicals. Take a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Take half a teaspoon of coconut oil and add it to the bowl. Take a larger bowl and turn it into a steam bath. Place the small bowl in it and pour hot water over it. Cover it with a plate and leave it for 10 minutes. We need to let our ingredients dissolve well. After waiting those few minutes, remove the plate. You can easily mix the Vaseline with the coconut oil now. You probably have some lipstick residue in your favorite color. Apply its remnants to the bowl. If you like experiments, you can add another one in a different color. Mix the lipsticks with the contents of the bowl. Get the Coca-Cola ready. Add 2 teaspoons to the Vaseline mixture. Mix everything again. Once the mixture has become uniform, you can transfer it to a small jar. Wondering what smells so nice and has a great color? That's your new lipstick. It looks beautiful and wonderfully moisturizes your lips.